Join me as I put the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds to the test and see if they can really break down language barriers in real-time conversations. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds are a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled to communicate with someone who speaks a different language. Imagine being able to converse with anyone, anywhere, in their native tongue. It's a revolutionary tool that's about to transform the way we interact with people from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Language barriers can be frustrating, especially in situations where you need to communicate quickly and effectively. Think about it, you're on a trip abroad, and you need to ask for directions. You try to use a translation app, but it's slow and cumbersome. Or, you're in a business meeting with a client who speaks a language you don't understand. You're nodding and smiling, but you're really not sure what's going on. These situations can lead to misunderstandings, missed opportunities, and even lost deals. It's not just about the big moments, though. Language barriers can also affect our daily interactions. Imagine being unable to connect with your neighbor because you don't speak the same language. Or, picture yourself struggling to order food at a restaurant because the menu is all in a language you don't understand. These small moments can add up and make a big difference in our lives. The impact of language barriers can be significant, but what if I told you there's a solution that can change all that? A solution that can help you communicate with anyone, anywhere, in real time. It's not just a dream, it's the reality that the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds offer. So, how do these earbuds work their magic? The W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds use advanced AI technology to translate languages in real time. They're incredibly easy to use, just put them in your ears, pair them with your phone, and you're good to go. The earbuds support a wide range of languages, so you can communicate with people from all over the world. One of the most impressive features of the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds is their ability to translate languages in real time. This means that you can have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, and the earbuds will translate what they're saying into your native tongue. It's like having a personal interpreter in your ear. The earbuds are also designed to be user-friendly. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear, so you can wear them for extended periods of time without feeling uncomfortable. Plus, they're easy to pair with your phone, so you can get started with translating languages right away. I've seen firsthand how the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds can make a difference in real-life situations. For example, I know a business owner who used the earbuds to communicate with a potential client from Japan. The client was impressed by the earbuds' ability to translate languages in real time, and they ended up closing a deal worth thousands of dollars. The earbuds have also helped travelers navigate foreign countries with ease. Imagine being able to ask for directions, order food, and communicate with locals in a foreign country without any language barriers. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to travel. But it's not just about business or travel. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds can also help bridge cultural gaps. By enabling people to communicate more effectively, we can build stronger relationships and foster greater understanding between different communities. In short, the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds are a powerful tool that can break down language barriers and open up new possibilities for communication and connection. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds offer a range of benefits that make them an essential tool for anyone who communicates with people who speak different languages. They provide real-time translation, user-friendliness, and compatibility with various languages. What do you think about language barriers? Have you ever had a frustrating experience trying to communicate with someone who speaks a different language? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about innovative tech solutions like the W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 gadgets that are changing the way we live and work. Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter earbuds, translator device supporting 40 languages, translator earbuds for call and video translation, app work with iOS and Android. Brand Timekettle. Color gray. Telephone type cordless. Number of batteries 3 lithium polymer batteries required. Power source battery powered. Manufacturer Timekettle. 40 language bidirectional simultaneous translation. Speak naturally in any conversation with dual channel interpretation. Your words convert instantly across 40 languages and 93 accents. No awkward pauses, just seamless dialogue where both parties can interject freely. Dual meeting modes for any scenario. Group discussions. Host multilingual meetings effortlessly with listen and play mode. Speak while others listen to translated speech through their devices. Perfect for roundtable debates or presentations. AI automatically segments long speeches and generates summaries. One-on-one negotiations, switch to Simul Mode for real-time bidirectional translation. Both parties speak freely with near-zero latency, mimicking natural dialogue. Ideal for client pitches or confidential talks where interruptions matter. Media Translator for videos/calls, break language barriers on Zoom, YouTube, or sudden overseas calls. Translate audio/video streams in real time. Binge foreign shows without subtitles or handle urgent calls in 40 languages, all from your phone. Offline Mode, 13 language pairs without Wi-Fi. Pre-download 2 language packs for on-the-go translation in areas with poor signal. Cover 90% of travel needs with key pairs like English, Spanish/Chinese/Japanese, no subscription required. 6-hour battery plus 1 year standby. The open-ear design lasts 6 hours non-stop. The pocket-sized case adds 12 hours, while ultra-low power mode keeps it ready for a full year between charges. Never miss a conversation during long layovers or multi-day trips. W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, your global business assistant. W4 Pro. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds are more than just a device, they are your personal global business assistant, help to communicate in on-site or online communications. Effortlessly transition through 3 translation modes for business interactions, ensuring fluid communication in every scenario. Upgraded bidirectional simultaneous translation. W4 Pro. With a 1v1 mode, W4 Pro real-time translation earbuds provides instant real-time interpreting, ensuring quick and private communication in any setting. Enjoy upgraded bidirectional simultaneous translation. These earbuds are your go-to solution for efficient and effective global communication. 1. The Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds offer real-time translation in 40 languages and 93 accents, enabling seamless, natural dialogue without pauses. 2. The earbuds feature dual meeting modes, listen and play mode for group discussions and Simul Mode for one-on-one negotiations, providing real-time bidirectional translation with minimal latency. 3. They serve as a media translator for videos and calls, allowing real-time translation of audio/video streams on platforms like Zoom and YouTube, with 500 minutes of free translation per month. 4. An offline mode supports 13 language pairs without Wi-Fi, covering essential travel needs with pre-downloaded language packs, eliminating the need for a subscription. 5. The earbuds have a 6-hour battery life, with a pocket-sized case providing an additional 12 hours, and an ultra-low power mode offering up to a year of standby time. 6. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds are designed as a global business assistant, facilitating smooth communication in various business scenarios with upgraded bidirectional simultaneous translation.